Growing black turtle beans in toilet rolls is easy and great for the environment. It is a great way to reduce waste and an easy and affordable option for starting your bean seeds indoors before transplanting them outside. In this video I show you how it can be so easy to start your black turtle beans indoors, so keep watching. You will need a few toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. These rolls hold a nice amount of soil so you can grow your beans to good size, strong, healthy seedlings before transplanting them to the garden. They have more than enough room to develop, and toilet paper rolls are biodegradable. I think that this is good benefit for you and your garden. Fill the toilet paper rolls with pre-moistened soil to the half. The benefits of toilet paper roll seed starter pots are many. You can save money, grow healthy seedlings. Beans don't like to be transplanted, but since we don't have to remove them from the pot, they do very well in toilet paper rolls. You don't have to take your young plant out of the pot to transplant it. You just plant the whole thing in your garden, and with time the roll will decompose. Any kind of seed will work in a toilet paper seed pot, but they are especially good for planting seeds that do not like to have their roots disturbed. Add a few black turtle bean seeds to each tube. You can plant from 4 to 5 seeds without any problem at all. They can grow well together and you will have the benefit of a large harvest for the same amount of space. Cover your black turtle bean seeds gently with additional soil almost to the top. Carefully water the toilet paper rolls, without disturbing the seeds. After watering, place them in a greenhouse, on the bright windowsill or any other frost-free location that gets plenty of sunlight. Remember to gently water the seeds every day or so when the soil is dry, and wait patiently for the seedlings to grow. In about 10 days the black turtle beans will pop out, and after they have grown tall and strong you can harden them off and transfer to your garden or a larger container to continue to grow. Toilet rolls not only make great starter pots for black turtle bean seedlings, but are also fantastic portable planters. These toilet paper seed pots can be placed directly in the ground and will compost away. Make sure that when you plant them they are completely covered with garden soil. I hope this video will help you to start growing your own black turtle bean indoors. It's an easy and an eco-friendly way of organic gardening.